Hello and welcome to the TFJJ. So today I start my video by a Huracan Performante, but that's not the main event, that's not why we're here. We've got something very, very special, courtesy of Elite Detailer, that we're going to be filming this morning. But first off, I'll just show you around this Performante. It's a really nice spec. So it's finished in brushed satin silver. I don't know what the actual Lamborghini name for this colour is, but looks really good on this car. A little bit subtle compared to the yellow and orange you most commonly find on these, but I really, really like it. Kind of goes well with the Italian stripe as well, whereas if you've got it in a really bright colour, it kind of contrasts with the stripe a little bit too much, I think. Got the engine bay a little bit dirty. Looks like this car's well used. And then you've got this wing here, forged carbon down here, and very cool wheels on this. I like the number plate as well, very short number plate. Yeah, really, really cool spec. Red centre caps as well, just to finish it off. Goes nicely with the red seat inserts on the interior as well. But yeah, good, clean spec, I like that. I've also got a Ferrari 612 Scaglietti car park, a GTC4 Lusso, finished in a satin grey colour. I don't remember the name, but I know this is the exact same colour that you find on the roof of the 599 GTO. And then here we've got a new 991 GT3 RS with the Y-Sack pack. Gold brushed wheels down here, you can see. Obviously the cover letting us know that it's the Y-Sack version. And then a little bit down here, we've got a nice E-Type on the right, a 599 GTB HGTE handling pack, and then an R8 Spider on diplomat plates. So not a bad little start, and looking forward to seeing what else is going to come out. So just before I show you what we're really here for, I just thought I'd show you the last couple of cars that are also in this car park. So we've got two Ferrari F12s here, obviously not the latest GT V12 model now that the Lusso and the 812 Superfast are out, but I really, really like the styling on these still. This one's got Italian plates and then British plates on this one. Let me know which one you prefer. I think in this case I'd have the grey one. And then as we head over here, we've also got one of my favourite spec 488s I've seen, which is black with some really nice red stripes going down the bonnet. I like these, they're quite subtle, quite tasteful. Also match the interior, kind of the reverse of the interior. But that looks really, really cool on this car. 18 plate, it's a brand new. And this is the Spider. So you take the roof off this one. And then these polished wheels. Looks really good, I think. Not too much red on the interior, sometimes you see a little bit too much red. But I'm a big fan of this one. this is the one-of-one Pagani Zonda Uno.
What you're going to do is you're going to take a picture on your phone. How nice.
Just give you a little look around this car whilst it's getting loaded up.
If you take a picture,
Registered on UK number plates, but I think it's going out of the country. All these turquoise details. Got the stripe running down the centre of the car, badging, and the blue interior as well. Absolutely awesome car. Really cool to see in central London. So a big thanks to Elite Detailer for allowing me to have a look at this whilst it's getting loaded up, take a few photos. And yeah, I'll catch up with you all very soon.
Beautiful! Yeah!
So straight after the Zonda's gone away, I've already found some more awesome cars at 9 AM on Tuesday in London. So we've got this pair of GT2 RS's. This one is in Guards Red, and then we've got a white one as well. I like the colour better on the red one. I like the wheels better on this one. This kind of champagne goldy colour looks really good. I think they've both got red bits on the interior as well. See the YSAC packs, they've got carbon everywhere. This little badge is a sticker to save weight. These are outside the Berkeley Hotel in Knightsbridge. This carbon looks mega close up. Yeah, red on this interior as well. So yeah, nice little find for Tuesday morning.